Here we are, another virtual tour. We're selling properties. I know you're stuck at home. I don't like being stuck at home either, but the sun is out, the grass is green, the trees are blooming. We're trying to make the best we can of every day. So I'm out here today to show you an incredible property that we just listed that'll sell fast. So here's what we have. We have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and a 2-car garage. I know that's a lot of twos, but guess what? The price starts with a 2 also. You're gonna love it. Totally redone, fresh paint, fresh carpet. I'm in South Johnson County in Overland Park, and this thing's gonna sell quick. We've designed this so that you can stay home, stay safe, and still see what's happening on the market. Feel free to text me or call me. I'll be happy to give you a private tour if you'd like. Come on in and see what it's all about.